Okay, this is an overview of CPLR 326. Again, I'm going to do the quick card, and then we will read the actual code. So the topic is procedure on removal, and remember 325 was grounds for removal of a case. So A, stay of proceedings. In order to stay proceedings for the purpose of moving for removal may be made by the court in which action is pending or the court to which removal is sought. So basically, either the court where they originally filed the case, that's transferring it to a lower court, either that court can stay proceedings, or the stay of proceedings can happen in the court where the case is moving to. Okay. B, where order made by a court other than where action is pending, upon such filing or upon entry of order, pending clerk. That's the first court. Pending the clerk of the first court shall deliver to receiving court clerk. And this is not the exact terms they're using in the book. I will read the code after this, but this is how I'm going to remember it quick. So basically the first court, and receiving court is the second court. Clerk, all papers and records in action and certified copies of all minutes and entries shall be filed, entered, or recorded to the receiving ladder. They use the word ladder clerk. So that's where the clerk where the case is being moved to. Nothing from original court shall be invalid as a result of removal. So they're saying all of those papers that, where the case started, they're all going to just transfer over to the new court, and all those papers and records will be valid. C is fees and disbursements. So any filing, trial, or jury demand fees have been paid shall be credited against the fees, which for the same purpose shall be required the court to which the action has been ordered removed. So basically, the fees that the parties paid at the first court, the second court where the case is being transferred, they're going to receive a credit for those fees that were paid. Okay. Let me read the actual code now, because you know how important it is to know the actual words. Some of them are in there, some of them I didn't. That's just my quick card. Okay, so 326, procedure on removal. A, stay of proceedings. In order to stay proceedings for the purpose of moving for removal may be made by the court in which the action is pending or the court to which removal is sought. So either court can stay proceedings in order to stay proceedings, okay? B, order and subsequent proceedings. Where an order of removal is made by a court other than the court in which the action is pending, a certified copy of the order shall be filed with the clerk of the court in which the action is pending. Upon such filing or upon entry of an order of removal by him, the clerk of the court in which an action is pending shall forthwith deliver to the clerk of the court to which it has been, to which it has been ordered removed, all papers and records in the action and certified copies of all minutes and entries which shall be filed, entered, or recorded as the case requires in the office of the latter clerk. Subsequent proceedings shall be had in the court to which it has been ordered removed, as if the action had been originally commenced there, and no process, provisional remedy, or other proceeding taken in the court from which the action was removed shall be invalid as the result of the removal. C. Fees and disbursements. If at the time the order of removal is entered, any filing, trial, or jury demand fees have been paid, such fees shall be credited against the fees which for the same purpose shall be required in the court to which the action has been ordered removed. A party entitled to tax disbursements after the removal may include fees paid by him prior to the time the order of removal is entered. And that is 326.